Mami Mao Akwaba and Faumbra Ghana in SEM TVGH so wafre me Addo searching. Ebusa for Mr. Osa on subscribe ya Mr. na wa subscribe. Faunsa me a notification bell no so for more news.
And wako okay FM akoka ho say the ekoso no oye NDC ni mapa but ono de oka aso odi agro oka tre NDC fo oka ebeto mrebe no de metia me kan saa ana wo so NDC ni ba so kai computer no watena tie so light yesi so na wo so wusu enne yesi nsu abonkyene emankuto osere ewie bebo enti oka no amanfo afa ne say oye hufuo but we nim say duly one day social media no and I say politicians never forgive. They will pay you back. Wait, they make a one nti mo amusi mo video a kire say abai wani kun ese obekum JDM no mun show Martin Kpebu no oye fun mai oye what or see on one JDM no ene wo mpanifo akeka dima akufo do tem esin president bia enti ono so ba ese oje ne share na next president ko ba no ono so aje ne share enti mi ntwa da if you say one more nkasa NDC for no ana this ade we abewura politics nim enti eso ye din na oteki ne part owi ana okọ wahu nyansa nti ono Martin Kpebu de ne wo ye na nadu ni na no nim se eye bone enye ma no oye dia hye papa na bufuo se de be papa no ebe act ni wagina so ka se yesi Akufo Addo nye na o magina so aka ana Akufo Addo act wanchi wo manye o mhwe nti no enne omdo mba om se Akufo Addo de ne kware ya metan no se MPP fo na anya ye de ye mmekwan se MPP fo na anche ya anti ye no se ye mmekwan na obenya MPP ni jimifo no ono so begina ho an se MPP fo na anya nti no anya enu kwa se so sa ese enu kwa se man continue wo ye sa wo ye MPP ni na wo ye sa wo so ye jimifo wo ye MPP ni na kasa so ni bia MPP for the woman yes it is NDC for some beya ye mom kwa no munye na atemdie na no den na sanitize system na be sanitize word na be sanitize Martin media me mo abaso ekuzo minim enkwase asem a waka kire ma na nado eni na busuya he the whole Ghana o lawyer ni a ana obi a wodi na nado na busuya ho few edi o matempa the whole Ghana opa busu obi a sa boy we opie ni ho Martin Kpebu enei opo bi a ken oforieta esofa won nsa no pa eye Martin Kpebu enei there is no who I was see wo video a see atenie since I mind we video no show me no political member and I say I can say a lawyer work me tell me be show the videos to say we have message you atenie any attacks including watching him now the because so I'm telling you and on no say any party be catch say we NDC ni say be very careful na the mo ye no atiche no munya MP for no mu should ni attend be because yeah now say won tiase a me nkase biem Martin wo de per sympathy then so emre ne so a sympathy ndi nya dia benya ye be ma say de tie na right was oh dear oh kama pass be ya o mejai nti bia wo no say we ma 5 months and 1 year ye be limited because wo de wo hu nyansa na wo ma maka ne de eni asem bia ka afei mo hwe
Katre Ghana for ni na say Fabio won to me has not been active in mining since 2021 or say 2020 enyame na meka yo eye mo sa court for ya ena mo se mo di won to me atum 20 years no mo na mo beka asasem de kire yen sref sa yo say justice srai no ena beka asasem we kire yen afa de mo say enti sa bio no ena mo dane na say sa de a or the invoice be a koje exim na no so mo train no so obedem na mo ankasa mo nkrofo no be gina ho e pronounce judgment already on untumi. Oh, by 3rd July they na untumi them 100 years they were saying it. And na mo ko jeli untumi a enya fraud no. Enya fraud na ye dey awie ska 30 million no. Na mbom wuntumi asase bi galamsey ekoso wo. According to wuntumi no, he has no idea of what is going on. And when he got to know the etie no pe mo ankasa mo report bi ma mo de ba yo. Wuntumi was the one and no na me na sa wuntumi first lawyer na so the eja sa wo so sa na wo yes the one the kubio so one no menti sa asem na si o. Because court na nkasa ba ye no wo mo abekle say onipa ne ye away galamsey it's been some years. So and as a mine it's not even galamsey mining it's been some years. And in more so nkasa so statement ya mo de odi asma mi ken odi obi opebia odi otumi di matemba me enti ase kakra ne dia court ne de ba ye na me chire mu no one kasa court na Ay3ka one kasa court ro ka chire say wuntumi ene be report ma mo say per document am go no wuntumi abe report to say asase bi edo ho nkrofo ye so galamsey according to mo say na asase no nkrofo enkrochi edi yes ade we amanu nti mo ankasa mo di security for kra ko some we are fear me person ye kono one by one no be a kind out of me. I want us to remember all this. So that's oh kasa obi an continue say oh person who obstructed justice and answer BB. NDC is not working with the law. NDC is deliberately not working with the law. Because in your earlier submission, you had made all of us aware, say, the man has stopped mining into the mining business some years, no problem. And now one case statement say, "You won't to me now. I say, I say, na sa CB da obi yeden obi tu ayi woso." Akwese Sicilia da pa akoka so no sika ira. Yes, usika na ira ye de agina so de achiwatu. It's basically like the same thing. Enunti Ghana for some kaya, we were not hearing of the Samra Boy case too much from the Attorney General's office because there was a lot of missteps. Intimi ayamiwanwa. Astan, ayamiwanwa what type of job are? To me first lawyer no? Oh yeah. To me so I don't know. Sometimes I don't know who. I don't know who advises him. Because some me na there be me pato e bi ana papa no we di case bi na minim mpacho penifo kakra munim no apia kubi no munim ni cases a we di Mr. I'm not saying it's not you Mr. Mojo na man family anko Mr. Mupi me pato say apia kubi no and the kubi no mpacho case ben pan we di high who's attach anom no na na kufa de we case o ma didi nti sa papa na nkasa case high profile case ben pan as apia kubi no wedi. There was a lot of missteps in this. So there was a lot of missteps in this. My only question when it comes to this, oh yes, oh yeah, someone say won't me aye BB. Now must mo bekwa kuchi chane na mun kuchi chane na there is nothing wrong. Go ahead. Go ahead. But are you trying fairly? The other day was some 30 million money that he has defrauded with invoice. Now all of a sudden that case has gone under the carpet. Some boy case now yes said that is the one you rather go and jail the man on. And this is we are Ghana we NDC NDC appointee, NDC minister, NDC member. Now said the no and frighten wa. Be very careful. NDC for more than maybe they grow. My fan say politics be na ye, but more than maybe they grow. And when these things come back to bite, My brothers and sisters, believe me, it will be very bitter. When these things comes to bite, it will be very bitter. Now, yesi utu ejinamoafo no na utu momone nso fo. MPP for mpanifo. MPP for leadership. Yaba amwane yababa moso. MPP for members. My learned colleague for me wari ni nuaba. Me ni neko nsuo. Mommy, careful. And this for subain etise Ghana police sebe. Ghana police in Kwane Beshiao. No atiem. Hey, my friend, come here, my friend. Oh, Ben and I can say, oh, office, oh, hey, you are not my friend, also my friend. Edu baby obe prando say you are not my friend, my friend. Ebi na NDC 4 year no. So who are MPP? Now we JD pass as NDC 4 we ebi ya wadamfo, ebi ya we say ya what do you need juma? Utie. So we are MPP ni. And away ya menan for many of one call ye. When it comes to politics, MDC don't see friends. So you guys need to start learning. Say MDC people don't take into account say or no net classroom or no net by exam so there be obe mian. Na and that NDC for dom where they actually most are learned colleague for no. Mama yen san teacher mo se mu no mu gina ho sere.